What subjects in math and stats do we tutor here at the Learning Commons?
We most often see college algebra or intro to stats, but we can also do higher math classes, operational research, or even the math education courses.
Students are able to make one-on-one appointments or walk in for tutoring services. From a tutor perspective, what's the difference?
So with the walk-ins, people come into the Learning Commons and us tutors give them a flag for the class that they're there for. They then raise their hand when they have a question and we walk over to them and we can stay there for as long as they need, and they're welcome to stay in the Learning Commons for as long as they need to.
Can you briefly explain what the work environment is like here?
The work environment, we like to work as a team. You can either find yourself one tutor working with a student, or tutors working together with students, or tutors working as a group. And you can also find yourself in one-on-one appointments. These one-on-one appointments are scheduled beforehand, and they last about an hour, and they can be with a specific tutor, and they can be reoccurring or they can be a one-time thing.